Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add overlay color to an image in Elementor, right? As you can see, right now I'm just editing a web page of my website, right, using Elementor, and here I'm going to create a section, and for creating a section we need to click on plus icon, and here it is asking whether we want flexbox or grid. So here I'm selecting the grid, and in the structure I'm selecting 2 column 1 row, right? You can select as per your convenience. Now here we have successfully created the section, and here we are going to add an image, and for adding an image widget you just need to move your cursor to the black header line in the top and click on add element icon, the plus icon, and then in the widgets you can simply search for image. Okay, so image widget is there. We just need to drag and drop this image widget into the column first of this section, right? And here in the left side toolbar there are 3 settings: content setting, style setting, and advanced setting. And in the content setting you can simply choose image. So I have clicked on choose image button, and from media library I have selected this image and clicked on select. Okay, so we have successfully added the image. Now we are going to the style section, and in the style section you need to scroll down, right? And you will not find the overlay option, right? So how you can simply add overlay to it, right? You can't, because you have selected image box. You can increase or decrease the opacity, right? But you cannot add a color overlay to image box, right? For adding color overlay to an image box, what you need to do is you need to add a container in it, right? So which we are going to add in the second column, right? So for adding a container we just need to move our cursor on the black header line again in the top and click on add element, the plus icon, and here in the widget section you need to search for container, right? And I am just going to add this container to this particular section, right? We have successfully added the container. Right now what we can do is we can simply add an image. So for adding an image we just need to move our cursor in the black header line again and click on add element and search for an image, right? And you just need to drag and drop this image into the container that you have added in second column of this section. Okay, and here you can simply choose the image from the left side in the content settings. So I have selected this image and from media library, and I have successfully added. Now we can add background overlay in container, right? So for adding background overlay in container you need to edit the container, and for that you need to scroll your cursor over the edit container, right? So we have clicked on edit container, right, in the top left corner of the container, right? So we have simply clicked on that, and in the layout, style, and advanced setting you can simply move to the style setting, and when you go to the background overlay then you can simply select a color, right? So background overlay is set to normal, and in the background type you can simply select gradient, and then you can simply select the second color. So in the second color I'm just using this, right? Now what we are saying is that background overlay is getting added to the container, right, but not on the image. Why so? Because you have again made it wrong, right? These are not going to help you. So that's why I'm going to tell you the third and effective method which will help you to add a color overlay to your image, right? How you can do that? Okay, let me create a new section again, and for creating a section I'm just going to click on plus icon, and here it is asking us whether we want flexbox or whether we want grid. So we are going to select grid, and again the one row and 2 column grid we have selected, and we have successfully created a section. And now we are going to add a container in the first column, and for adding the container in the first column you just need to move your cursor on the black header line and click on add element, right? So we have clicked on add element. Now we are going to search for container widget and simply drag and drop this container over the here like in the first column, and you can simply increase the height of the container right from the layout setting itself in the left side toolbar, and then you can simply go to the style setting, and in the style setting in the background type you need to select the classic. Okay, so we have selected classic, and here it is asking us to choose the image, so we are going to click on choose image, and from the media library we have simply selected this image and clicked on select. And now scrolling down, and we are into the background overlay, and in the background overlay we have selected normal, and in the background type we are going to select the gradient. Okay, so we have simply selected the gradient, and in the color we are going to select the color, whatever the color we want, right? We can select that particular color, right? And now you can simply increase or decrease the opacity, and as you can see you can simply change whatever the color you want, right? So if I want blue color, we can also add blue color, right, as both color, right? And then you can simply increase or decrease the opacity. So this is how you can add color as overlay to your image in Elementor, but make sure you can only add color overlay to a background image and not the image, and this is the right method, right? Like previously discussed, two methods are wrong method which student used to do, right? And I just want to tell you what is the right method to do this particular thing. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog, read articles related to Elementor, and watch video tutorials of those particular articles. Apart from it, if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.